So Nifty has fallen by almost 16%, and the small cap and mid caps have fallen more than 25 to 30%. But instead of going into a panic state, wise investors should consider this an opportunity to invest more, to identify next generation multibaggers, to identify potential multibaggers of the future. So in this video, I'm going to help you in this process. I have selected three small cap stocks whose market cap is within 1000 crores to 5000 crores, and I personally feel these three stocks are actually very promising for the future. That does not mean these are the only ones which you should focus on. I am selecting three. Okay, in future when I identify more, I will definitely bring more videos, but for now I have selected three. So all of these three stocks actually belong to three different sectors. One belongs to the futuristic semiconductor industry, one belongs to IT industry, and the final one belongs to pharma industry. Okay, so it will be very interesting. So let's start the video. We'll check the fundamentals, the growing, okay, the profit and loss statement, how it is going, then the shareholding pattern, and then obviously we'll check the price action and decide when could be the good, the best time to make entry in these stocks, right? So make sure to watch this video till the end, but please remember that this is not a stock recommendation video. This is just an educational and informational video. Okay, so with that said, let's get started. So I have screener page in front of me, and the first stock is Avalon Technology. So this belongs to the semiconductor industry. Okay, and I will definitely share all the links with you. Okay, and all the official website as well. I will just quickly go through, else it will be very long and boring video. So first of all, this is into the semiconductor business, and let's see the profit and loss statement. So you can see here that if we check the last 3 years profit and loss, in March 2023 the sales was 945 crore, which went up to which came down to 867, then trailing 12 months 972. Operating profit 113 to 63, sharp decline, but again it is starting to go up, 86. Then here the operating profit margin also fell, okay, from 12% to 7%, but again in the trailing 12 months it has gone up to 9%. Now you must be saying the growth is not looking very strong. Why did I select this stock? You see, you can find the answer in the quarterly results. So when we focus on last two quarters, so we always have to compare quarter on quarter. Okay, so December 2024 to December 2023, what do we see? There is growth in sales, 214 crores to 281. Then operating profit 17 to 35, okay, or doubled. Okay, operating profit margin 8% to 12%. Okay, this is the December. Again we'll compare September to September 2024 to 2023. Okay, 201 crores was the sales in 2023, then it came up to 275. Then here operating profit 13 crores to 30 crores, almost two and a half times. Okay, more than two and a half times. Operating profit margin 6% to 11%. So in the last two quarters we are seeing some very good growth in the company Avalon Technology. Now let's take a look at the shareholding pattern as well. So in the last three quarters, if you can consider, the promoter holding has almost been the same. Okay, 50 point, although there is a slight decline, but very slight, small decline. Okay, but the FIs have increased the stake from 2.56 to 2.97, then 5.39. But at the same time, DIs have increased the stake here. Okay, June to September, but again it has dropped by almost 3% in the December. But overall the fundamentals are looking strong. Okay, the quarterly results are looking good. So in the coming months, definitely I believe the stock would grow more. And now coming to the price action, Avalon Technologies. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame, and you can see the stock gave a quick rally here. And obviously if you have been following my channel, then you know this is not the first video on Avalon Technology. I have made it before also, when it was about to give a breakout at around 650 670, then it sharply went up above 1000. Okay, then obviously with the market crash it came down, but it came down for sure. But where is it resting right now? So if I mouse over, you can see it is currently resting at a very interesting level. Okay, you can see this level has acted as resistance here, it has acted as resistance here, and now it is trying to act as support. But that does not mean you will directly jump into this stock right away. Okay, you have to wait for some other level to be broken. So we can consider this week as the next level. Okay, potential resistance level 760 rounded up. So we have to wait for the stock to give a clean breakout and a strong breakout above this level with a proper basing pattern. So 780 around could be a good time to make an entry, and do not worry, when it gives a breakout, I will definitely make one individual video on this stock again. Okay, so this was all about Avalon Technology. So this was the first stock in this video regarding the three upcoming strong emerging small cap stocks. Okay, this belongs to the semiconductor industry. Now we'll go to the IT stock, and the name is Signity Technologies. Okay, so Signity Technologies is an IT company, and you can read all the details. Again, I will share the link with you. And let's go to the profit and loss statement and see how the profit and loss statement looks like. Okay, so if we consider again the last 3 years data, we can see there is clear increase in sales 1648 to 1815, then 1940. Operating profit 238, 222, 229. So this is mainly due to drop in operating profit margin, but we can see that it is maintaining around 12 to 13% average operating profit. Okay, then if we compare the again quarterly result, we can see in the December 2023 the sales was 468, which went up to 516 in December 2024. Same with operating profit. Again, September 2023 to September 2024, we can see there is increase in sales again 452 to 499, and here operating profit margin is same. Why is that? Because due to drop in operating profit margin, and as I mentioned earlier, it is maintaining around 13 to 14%. So this is fine. Now coming to the shareholding pattern, if we take a look at the shareholding pattern in the last 2 quarters, I'll focus on 2 quarters. Why is that? Because there is something interesting. You see, the promoters have massively increased the stake from 22.68% to 55.32%. Okay, that FIs have increased their stake 4.64% to 8.25%, and the DIs have also increased their stake 6.97 to 10.42. So clearly there is something going on with this company, and definitely the smart money and the promoters think that this is definitely futuristic company, and that's why they are continuously increasing their stake. So do not miss this one. Keep in your watch list. I am not saying that you should directly jump into any of these companies. No, the market is weak, the price could fall despite of the good fundamentals. So just keep it in your watch list, and do not miss this one, Signity Technologies. This belongs to IT sector. Again, now let's go to the price action. Okay, so coming to Signity price action. Okay, Signity Technologies, what do we see? Coming to the weekly, we can see here also that the stock is trying to make an early resistance level its support. Okay, it is slightly above that. Okay, you can see this was the resistance level around 1180. Currently it is trading as almost 1400. So maybe it could come down again. Okay, there is a high probability. So again, it's a very risky bet to directly make entries at this level. You will have to wait for some kind of confirmation. In the daily time frame, at least the stock should go above 50 EMA. Okay, so you can keep the level 1500 in your mind. Okay, once the stock starts showing strength above this level, then only you can consider entering. And like always, I will definitely make individual videos. One, the stock is starting to show strength. As of now, just keep it in your watch list. Okay, so that was about Signity Technologies. Now the third stock, it is about the pharma sector, and it is one of my favorite stocks as well, and I have made multiple videos on that one. Excuse me. The name is RPG Life Sciences. Okay, so coming to RPG Life Sciences, we can see tons of pros here, but we are not going to read that. We will do our own analysis. Okay, coming directly to the 3 years profit and loss statement, what do we see here? So we can see in the last 3 years there has been very good growth in sales, 513 to 582, then 637. Operating profit 104 to 229, then 155. Operating profit margin 20%, 22%, 24%. So it is increasing. Okay, every year 2%. Okay, so this is looking very, very strong to me. Okay, if we come to the quarterly results, here also we are getting to see good sign of growth. Okay, September to September, you can see sales, there has been growth 154 to 172. Same with operating profit. Okay, then December to December, we can see there is growth in sales 154 to 173, and also increase in operating profit as well. So clearly it is looking very strong to me. Now let's go to the shareholding pattern. So when we come to shareholding pattern, we see that the promoters are holding a very high stake in this company. They are not dropping at all. Okay, and you can see there is slight increase also, 72.82% to 72.95%. Clearly they are very confident about this stock, about their own company. That's why they are not dropping. FIs have slightly reduced, but it's almost negligible. If you compare it with previous quarter, there has been good increase. Okay, so they have dropped from 1.35% to 1.30%, 0.05% drop, almost negligible. But DIs have slightly increased, almost 0.5%, so which is a good thing. So overall, fundamental wise, this company is also looking strong. It has been growing and everything is looking good. Okay. Now let's go to the price action. RPG Life Sciences. Okay. So here we are getting to see that the stock is actually bouncing around this level. Okay, I can draw one line here and the stock is bouncing here up and down. Okay, here we got to see a big evening star pattern in weekly, which is clearly indicating weakness, and then again starting to show strength here. So in this way it is fluctuating. So I would say that a good time to invest in this stock could either be here after it breaks this 2600 level, or it breaks its all-time high of around 3000 level by forming a strong base. So I think it will need some more time, maybe some months, to break this level, and that is okay because this is a very high quality stock and definitely it deserves a place in your portfolio if you like growing small cap and mid cap stocks with strong fundamentals. Okay, which are backed by good fundamentals, not random penny stocks with bad fundamentals. Okay, then definitely this stock deserves to be in your watch list for now, and in coming weeks and months it will decide if it can go to your portfolio or not. Okay, so these were the three small cap stocks which I wanted to share with you. I found them really valuable, and if you found this video valuable, please hit the like button, share it with other people, and subscribe to Financial Impulse. And if you like my videos, please consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will be able to get more stock analysis post, and also you will be able to chat with me one to one on Discord, either by chat or by call, and you can discuss your queries. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye, take care.